We do have to change the way individual trade unionists are affiliated to the Labour Party through these funds. At the moment, they are often affiliated automatically. Let me be clear. I do not want any individual to be paying money to the Labour Party in affiliation fees unless they have deliberately chosen to do so. Individual trade union members should choose to join the Labour Party through the affiliation fee, not be automatically affiliated. In the 21st century, it just doesn't make sense for anyone to be affiliated to a political party unless they've chosen to do so. Men and women in trade unions should be able to make a more active individual choice on whether they become part of our party. That would be better for these individuals and better for our party. Think of the potential of this idea. It could grow a party from a membership of 200,000 to a membership of far, far more than that, genuinely rooting us in the lives of people up and down the country. I have a message to the millions of trade union members currently affiliated to the Labour Party. With this change, I invite you to be at the centre of what we do, day in, day out, at local level. Together, let's change our communities and change the country. Now, moving to this system has big and historic implications for the trade unions and for the Labour Party, and they need to be worked through. But I am absolutely clear about the direction in which we must go.